The setup of your Xignal solution starts with the gateway. Connect the gateway to the power socket. Use the SIM card for independent LTE connection, or use an Ethernet cable to connect to your router. Wait until the connection is established. This can take up to a few minutes. Now your gateway is ready to go. Create an account in the portal. You can do this online or use our app. Register your trap by simply scanning the QR code with the app, or use the web portal to fill in the serial number on the bottom of the trap. Now take your trap and mice box to the right location. At this location, wake up your trap by pushing and holding both buttons at the same time until you see the red LED. The trap will now enter startup mode and will show a blinking blue LED as it connects with the gateway. Right after you see a green LED, the trap is set up. Now you can monitor its status. Now place your trap inside the mice box and set your trap. For more support or information, you can always contact us at support@demosystems.com.